coordinate geometry. This is coordinate continued. I am giving you two questions and we will be discussing that. First question is that find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. And the question 2 says that determine if the point 1 comma 5 and 2, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. Okay. So before I start, first though I write the distance formula here. I am using the distance formula. Distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But distance formula here, any point on x-axis is 0 comma x comma 0, and any point on y-axis is 0 comma y. This is the point. They are asking you any point on x-axis. That is, let the point be x comma 0. Therefore, the distance formula is that distance between x comma 0 and 2 comma minus 5 is x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square. Then I distance between the x comma 0 and minus 2 comma 9, that is x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Now squaring both the sides, taking square of both the sides, that is, I open this x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81 and x square plus the other one is here x square minus 4x plus 4 and plus 25. Now there I am equating both the sides. I am equating because they are equidistant. Equidistant means their distances. Suppose equidistant means two points are there and the third point is here, that is P, Q and R is the point, that is PR is equal to QR. This is equidistant. Okay, the QR. So this is I can cancel x square both the sides. 4 is common to both the sides, and then I bring x one side and the numbers another side. Then we get 8x minus 56, that is minus 7. That is, the point is minus 7 comma 0. Okay. Therefore, the point is equidistant from these 2 points is minus 7 comma 0. Okay. Second question. Determine if the points 1 comma 5. Okay. Determine if the points 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. If whether, they have asked you if the points. Let the, that means collinear, have you followed collinear means? They are on the same line. Collinear is same line, that means distance between, this is the collinearity. Collinearity if ABC are 3 points, A, B, C. 3 points. Collinear means they are on the same line. Yes, they are on the same line. That means AC plus BC is equal to AB. AC plus BC is equal to AB. Then only I can say that they are collinear. If the sum of these two distance is equal to the single distance AB. Now I started doing the point distance of the point 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3. With the distance formula, I have got this 1 minus 2 plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then I open it, I get it, that is square root of 1 plus 5. Square root of 1 plus 5, that is root 5. Square root of 1 plus 5, that is 1 plus 4, sorry, that is root 5. The distance of 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 11 is equal to 2 plus 2 whole square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. That is 2 plus 2 whole square and 3 plus 11 whole square. When I simplify, I get 16 plus 196. 16 plus 196 is 16 plus 196, that is equal to 212 root over. Then the distance between the it is 212, so we can say that is 2 plus 2 5 plus now 212 is not equal to 265, or I write root over this is not equal to 265, therefore they are not collinear. Now I repeat again with the coordinate geometry because I want to end it here. That is section formula. If a point divides a line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2, at the two endpoints of the line are x1 y1, x2 y2, it will be, what is the section formula? m1 into x2, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1. m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is x coordinates this value. Similarly, for y, I get m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is the section formula. If